Hello everyone, I hope you are taking proper care of our sense. So, today we'll start a new important topic, that is politics. Man is by nature a political animal. It is always a dialogue and never a monologue. For Aristotle, politics is the master science. That is, nothing less than the activity through which human beings attempt to improve their lives and create a good society. Politics, in its broadest sense, is the activity through which people make, preserve, and amend the general rules under which they live. Although politics is also an academic subject, sometimes indicated by the use of politics with a capital P. It is then clearly the study of this activity. Politics is thus inextricably linked to the phenomena of conflict and cooperation. What is politics? This is not an easy to define the word politics in one line, as the word come to acquire a multiplicity of meanings. However, the most commonly accepted definition of politics is that it is the authoritative allocation of resources and values in a political system. In this definition, the political system could be a state or a country, while the resources and values are things like education, minerals, land, and other vital things to human existence. Politics is also defined simply as who gets what, when, and how. Keywords. What is conflict? Competition between opposing forces reflecting a diversity of opinions, preferences, needs, or interest. Then, what is cooperation? Working together, achieving goals through collective action. According to Andrew Haywood, there are four major perspectives of politics. First is politics as the art of government. Second is politics as public affairs. Third is politics as compromise and consensus. And last, politics as power and distribution of resources. Politics involves the multiple negotiations that go on in society through which collective decisions are made. At one level, it involves what governments do and how they relate to the aspirations of the people. At another level, it involves how people struggle and influence decisions making. People may be said to engage in political activity whenever they negotiate with each other and take part in collective activities which are designed to promote social development and help to resolve common problems. Politics according to Marxism. Marxism looks upon politics as an aspect of a conflict between two major contending classes in society. Classes are formed primarily with reference to the ownership of the means of production and the conflict between them. Means of production refers to the resources necessary for production, a large part of which is derived from nature. Inequitable distribution of nature has been a feature of societies coming after the initial period. The primary form of the conflict between classes is economic. But this economic class conflict at a certain stage of its development acquires a political dimension, as those who own and control the resources were also in control of the state power. So, the conflict over resources turns into a conflict over state power, and that is how it becomes political. Politics as authoritative allocation of values. The political solution of a conflict is made acceptable to the parties concerned because of its authoritative character. According to David Einstein, The Political System, an inquiry into the state of political science 1953, politics is concerned with the authoritative allocation of the values for a society. This short but compact definition involves three terms which must be understood clearly. These are values, allocation, and authoritative. By values, he means the things considered valuable, whether they be spiritual or material. By allocation, he means distribution of these things to various individuals or groups. This is accomplished through policy which consists of a web of decisions. Decision refers to the selection among alternatives. Policy